around the street because we preferred more of walking instead of taking like taxis, because I think like you should prefer more of walking when you go out, because in taxis you can't see more of the views around you. And here we came walking along the street. We had this sweet small like a chocolate shop, so we stopped around and like wow, it's like amazing. They have a pretty stuff with them, the shape and all. It seems really very delicious. And see the big tower they had, so we will buy some of them. Let's see. And here we are at the Nanjing Road. It was amazing. The view was like overwhelming. Like wow. Seriously, the blue colors, like it's having a background quiet music around, always playing behind. I hope you can hear it or not, I don't know. But yeah, walking on this street was really lovely. Like the blue color, the way they have all the clean roads and everything, it's like amazing. Like wow, they have the trees all colored, and there it was. And while walking also again, we found this small little like restaurant where people came for like their family dinner or buffet, or we can say like that. It was really so pleasant. Like there was some fog coming from these like restaurants down basement, I don't know from. And this is a temple, like I don't know what it is made up of, but it seems like it's made up of gold. The color is also, they prefer like yellow. And this is the Nanjing Road. There was this temple on the side. We didn't went inside it, but yeah, it's so pretty. It's damn pretty. And while we were walking, we found this Starbucks like coffee proper center. We walk around there. First we'll have the view around, like all the skyscaping like buildings and everything. You can have it. You can also see it. Like you can't have it, but you can see it and you can enjoy. Now we'll go inside, and all the coffee lovers, just see, here it is. So yeah, it was an amazing place. You can see how the coffee is made, how the beans and everything. You can see the sacks over there, and like yeah, these are the stuffs which you can buy from here. Everything has a price on it, and you can prefer which one you want. There are different bottles and like cups and mugs and different variety of stuffs. People come here to shop. They have some, yeah, this is the thing where it is made properly. And the smell, the aroma which is coming over, it's like amazing for the coffee lovers. They will like love it and they'll come over here. People come here to see all this and like to buy some stuff, like the proper beans, the coffee beans, or like to have the proper original like coffee in front of them and see these are the beans or these are the coffees which different people like. Those who love having coffee, this is the place for them. Like you should come here, you should prefer this. And some of them are having their orders, they'll make you in front of them. And here that is, there was Shanghai, and some of them, yeah, this is the view. And then we came finally in the car. Like we were super tired, and now we are heading to the Bund. Yes, we were so tired after that long walk on the Nanjing Road, and I don't know how I'm holding this camera. Yeah, but now I think it's okay. Yes, so now we are heading over there because that was a long distance apart, the Nanjing Road and the Bund. So we took a taxi over there, and we'll reach in some hours, some moment. So after getting off, we had some of this view, and then we'll reach our destination because we prefer more of walking to have this wonderful view around. And yes, now it is, here it is, the Bund. And this is the like old Shanghai or old Shanghai buildings, and these are the new ones. Like see the lighting show here, you can see that it's amazing. There are some of the ferries. We came a bit late, so we missed that part. We can't enter because we reached here quite late till the time ferries and everything started. See the buildings over there. So it is like the old Shanghai part, and this is the modern Shanghai part, not the old proper old one, like the buildings which were built some years back, and these are the modernization. So you can see the like ancient and modern Shanghai around the lake. And yesterday we were on that side of the lake, and today we are on this side. So there are two parts of Shanghai, you can see that. Today we are besides this lakeside, and yesterday we are on that side, and now you can see like the buildings glittering in another way. So they keep changing the way of lighting, and you should definitely prefer coming here in the month of October, because that's the best time. You can have this view, you can have these lighting show and everything. You will definitely enjoy Shanghai because it is not cold. You can wear your shorts, your skirts, whichever thing you want to prefer, and yeah, you would love it. You can see those buildings. So this is the ancient one and this is the modernized one. So that's the view. You can see it around one place. Like wow, there are many ferries. We missed that part, but yeah, it's okay. Still here it is. We are very much happy having this view. It's amazing. And here there is a small fountain part which you can see. We walked around the bund also. We came from that part to this part, and the skyscraper is so tall that you can't even see some of their lights from where it is coming. It seems like it's coming from the fog. And this is the ancient part of Shanghai, which is behind that, the orange buildings, and see the fountain, how it is coming from the bridge. And this is the modern part. See the lightings and everything. It's like amazing. The ferry also looks so pretty over there. Yeah, my voice is going. Yeah, you can see this fountain. It's so nice, and there is a silent music behind playing everywhere. You feel so calm, so soothing. It's like wow, the feeling is really nice. You can enjoy the view with that amazing sound or like music behind you. It's really nice. So today is day 3 of this vlog.
खुशी हो रहा है, सेम चीज कर रहा है बल्कि ओह वाओ बहुत अच्छा था।
So finally, waiting for 2.5 hours in a queue, we entered the lift of this Oriental Pearl Tower, and like after entering, like zoop, and now we are on 241 floor number, and this is the view from there. And it is a space center. Every floor has a different thing. And now we are on 263 floor number, and yes, it is night and still we are in this tower. There are many things to view, and this is the view of the bund which I showed you yesterday. Again we came today because yesterday we had a long walk from the Nanjing road. The bund, it was really long. We visited all the places by walking, and yes, the walk was worth it, because like by taxi we can't have those views which we captured by having a walk around the city. So you should also prefer, I think it's your choice, you can prefer walking or you can take a taxi, but these are the views from the tower till now. So I hope you enjoyed this. So finally, after the long day, we decided to see the nightlife of Shanghai, and we went to Mint. Like it is a very nice club over there, and we saw it. It was really